Why does a 4,000-year-old well in Mecca never run dry, even as millions drink from it daily? This is the well of Zamzam, a spring that appeared miraculously for Prophet Ismail as a baby, left in the desert with his mother Hajar. But here's the mystery. Scientists say its water flows from an underground volcanic chamber, untouched by humans. Islamic tradition claims it's connected to the fountain of paradise, yet lab tests show it has zero bacteria and minerals found nowhere else on Earth. How did it vanish for centuries, only to be rediscovered by Abdul Muttalib, the Prophet peace be upon him's grandfather, after a dream? And why do pilgrims still chant zamzam, zamzam, while drinking it? Some believe its water carries prayers. Others say it's a literal lifeline to the past. But one truth remains. Every sip ties you to a miracle older than the pyramids. Share this. It's history you can taste. And tell me, now you know?